All right, here we have Cranky the Crane. It's a remote control. I'm gonna try to show in a close-up. I'm trying to clear the garage. I have a lot of things. I no longer have. I'm gonna say this again and again and again and over and over and over. I no longer have the time to fix and repair. I need to make a studio. So here is Cranky the Crane base. So I'm gonna ship and send this with no screws. They come with no screws. Comes as it is. No remote. Obviously you need to snap it like so. And I can see and hear it makes sounds, but I do not have the remote. If I do have one remote, I don't know what it is. So if interested, check the link in the description. You adjust this. See, adjust the angle of this thing. Anyways, there are no screws on this, but this part needs to be a snap. Press it down. I'm talking about the head, the entire part. There's no remote, so there's no way I can test if this thing works or no. But check the link in the description.